Okay, I have some carrots. They are actually not in the best shape. I'm going to salvage what I can from them and show you how to dice. Personally, I like to do what's called top and tail my carrots before I start. Just remove the tops and the bottoms. Okay. I'm going to peel. Need to get rid of that. Actually, this carrot has been in the fridge for about a month. They were washed beforehand. Yeah, I don't want that on my computer. And I will be trimming off the bad parts. This one, I'm going to trim that. It's okay on the inside. This one, I'm going to cut that part off. Okay. This is going in the garbage. And once again, I'm going to cut it into lengths about as long as my finger, a little bit shorter sometimes. I'm then going to cut one flat side. Easiest way is put the knife tip down, cut a flat side. You can then put it down, cut what are called your planks. So if you've been in class and we've done this, as I've told you, you get all your planks done first. Cut a flat side, cut your planks. Flat side, planks. Okay. All right, so now that I've got all my planks cut, I'm going to move them off to one side. Gotta let the dogs in. I'll trim that out. Blue! Now, from the planks, I'm going to cut the sticks. Okay, I want my sticks all to be roughly the same size, so that when I go to cut my dice, it is all about the same size. So I can line them up as well. I'm doing this at school. I've got a much bigger cutting board, much more space to do the lining up. Okay. So I line up my carrots, work my way across. Okay, go slow when you're doing this. Make sure your knife is sharp. If your knife is not sharp, it will slip and you will cut yourself. Okay, once again, I'm going to move the carrots off to the side. bring up as many as I can handle at one time. And start cutting my dice. My fingers are like so. I've got my thumb tucked behind. If we were in the classroom, I would be walking around tucking your thumbs and making sure that you do not put your finger on top of the knife. It's a very bad habit to get into. Ergonomically speaking, it's a very bad habit. You may feel like you need to, but don't. Okay. Working my way across. Okay. All right, and the dogs love carrots. Sammy, sit. Sam, sit. Blue, good girl. All right, time to wash my hands and stop the video.